My name is Ben Graves, General Manager here at Club MX, and we're happy to announce the partnership with MotoSport.com on giving away this 2022 Yamaha YZ450 race replica bike. The 2022 Yamaha YZ450 will also include full race replica FMF exhaust system, just like on our race bikes. Hinson clutch kit will also include a set of Achirby's plastic. The bike will also include a gripper seat from Guts Racing, as well as a lightweight battery from Firepower. We also have a full set of chain and sprockets from Mika Metals, along with a set of handlebars from Mika. The bike will come with a DT1 filter and a fresh set of Pirelli tires. And finally, you'll receive this custom set of SKDA graphics. And to keep your bike looking fresh, you'll receive a full bike care kit courtesy of Muck Off. And to top it off, to make you look good with this bike, FXR is going to provide you a full set of gear.
Enter to win at MotoSport.com/win.